take a look what you can get from AliExpress, and the price starts from $4 and is going up to $11, depends on where you are living. And what is it? It's a Ferrofluid magnetic fluid liquid display funny stress relief toys science decompression anti-stress toy. And yes, it's a very popular Ferrofluid in a bottle, and I ordered it, and of course I got it. Okay, let's open this thing. Ooh. Oh, it's like a living being. Ooh. What are these? Magnets. 2 of them. And take a look. This is called Ferrofluid. From always I wanted to have a Ferrofluid, and the time comes to have one. And it's cheap, around $5, and you can play it. Take a look. And many of you will ask, does this have connection with the electronics? And I'm gonna show to you later. I'm gonna do some experiments using a electromagnet and audio amplifier. Stay tuned to see. Whoa! And let's play some now. Oh! Take a look. Using a magnet, a strong magnet, you can see the shape of the electromagnetic field. Oh. And if I shake it, it comes together. And let's try it this way. Ooh. Nice. Let's grab a flashlight so you can see better. And if I use a magnet like this one from a speaker, take a look. Ooh, nice. Isn't that cool? What do you think, guys? Please comment below about this Ferrofluid. Nice. Okay. Boom. If I shake it, I can play with this all day long, and this thing will be awesome for my kids and learning about magnets and ferrofluids. It's like a science experiment. Beautiful. Love it. The link will be in description below so you can check it. Do you know about this product, which is using a ferrofluid? And it's a ferrofluid speaker, and it's pretty expensive. And now I'm gonna show to you a simple way how you can make that using a powerful amplifier just like this one and a magnet. I made a DIY magnet with copper wire wound on the ferrite core, and now I will connect everything. I'm gonna power the amplifier, and I'm gonna send some music and sounds from my phone, and we're gonna see how the ferrofluid will respond to the electromagnet. Let's do that. Okay, everything is connected. From my smartphone I'm gonna play some music through the amplifier on the electromagnet. And take a look. Play. Isn't that nice? Take a look what the ferrofluid is making a different shapes. Oh, and I'm sorry that I can't add another speaker so you can hear the music. Maybe I will get a copyright strike. I don't want that, but it's nice. Let's go a little bit further. Beautiful. How cool is that? It's like a live being or live creature. What do you think? And it's making different shapes. Wow. Beautiful. I have a frequency generator app. I installed it on my smartphone. Take a look. Probably you can hear it. Oh, this is nice. I can play with this all day long. Alright. Let's shake it. 420 Hertz. And take a look what is doing. Now I'm gonna increase the frequency. Okay. I hope you like today's video, which was a demonstration of the ferrofluid that I got from AliExpress, and using an electromagnet I can move the ferrofluid. And maybe in the future I will make a ferrofluid speaker. Nice. Okay, nice.